Sunday James. Put this thing down.
Today we are in Mangaten to meet with the women that Hope Restoration has been supporting for the past 4 years. And today we decided to bring for them Dignity Kit as a follow-up of last week's meeting, where we came here to have a meeting with them to identify what kind of their priorities, the needs that they want in the center here, because it has been a while. So the first priority of the urgent thing they wanted was to get the Dignity Kits, because it has been so impossible to buy them in the market. They are very expensive. But the Dignity Kits we brought today, it has all the full package. It has a lot of soap inside. It also has shoes. It also has a kitenge, and it also has a t-shirt.
الليلة ذاته ادونا صرف بالحاجات دي بتاع نساوين. كمان ادوا لنا معاملة كويس، كان نستخدم حاجات دي بقى مساعدة كتير لنساوين، ونشكروا منظمة ده جيد جدا لأنه جاب لنا حاجات ده كله ولسه شغال معنا وبيجيب معنا وبيجيب مع نساوين وبنات في Mangaten.
In Mangaten, I've been training these women how to make shop, how to make bread, how to do beading, and then crocheting. We do this so that we want them to generate activities, income for themselves, so that they can improve their standards of living. In Mangaten, we care for the women because we want to empower them to be self-reliant.